Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Windows taskbar transparent. So as you can see here, I have my desktop background picture and then my kind of grayish black taskbar here, and it's kind of covering the picture. Sure, you could go to your taskbar settings by right-clicking your taskbar and turn on the hide taskbar in desktop mode, which makes it go away until you put your mouse back over it, but I personally don't like that. And then of course you could go to your colors and have your transparency effect. So if I turn that off, you can see it's like a solid black. So if I turn it on, it's sort of transparent, but not as transparent as I like. So to fix that, we're going to install this app. And so what you want to do is go to your Microsoft Store. You could search for it or find it in your apps here. And then click on the search box. And we want to find a program called TranslucentTB. And there's a couple here. I'm not sure what this one with the weird characters is, but I'm going to click on this one here. Click on install. You might see get depending on your computer. Either one should work. And it's downloading it. And then you could click on launch. And it's going to give you a license agreement here. Click on yes to that. And then once we close out of here, it should be active. So now you can see my taskbar is transparent. And so if I open up, let's say I open up this, it gives you the whole screen, and you can see through your taskbar there. Same with this. So if you want to turn it off, though, it appears like you need to remove the app, because if you go to the app and click on it, see when you're looking for your apps, it's back, but if you click on it, it doesn't turn it on or off. So if that's the case, you might want to go to your Windows settings, and then you could go to your apps and then find it. Click on uninstall. And now it's gone and you're back to the way you were before. So anyway, so just go to your Microsoft Store, look for TranslucentTB, install it, and then that's all you got to do. And if you want it gone, just uninstall the app and you'll be back to normal. All right. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.